Hi, today I will be going over Smart Day, a mental wellness and productivity app. Goals set smarter, not harder. So, a little bit about us. This idea originates from the COVID pandemic, as many of us worked from home and had difficulty with time management. Smart Day works to empower the user with their time and peace of mind. So, you might say such apps already exist, but the problem with these apps is that they rely too much on self-reported data, as many users lie and they present inaccurate information. Two, they waste time by having users input every little detail. And finally, these apps are daunting for beginner users as it's difficult to know how to approach time management, i.e., what goals should be set. So Smart Day solves all these problems. For one, it utilizes people's pre-existing data from their phone, improving accuracy. Next, it saves people's time as the app requires minimal user input after initial setup. And lastly, it comes with three professionally recommended psychological states of time management to make the app as beginner friendly as possible since the goals have already been set. So the three psychological levels. So the first level, chill, is based on the concept of mental health days and will work to regenerate productivity and well-being. The next level, balance, is the level of performance most sustainable for everyday use. And lastly, focus is for when users are approaching a time crunch or deadline and need to be more productive. So here is the general look and feel of the application. We will begin a demo shortly.
Welcome to our Smart Day app. Your day is about to get smarter. So, upon logging in, I'm already authenticated, but if this was your first time logging in, you would get authorized through, um, you can see here, a request was made to Auth0. So, that has been implemented for the login. Yeah, so after logging in, you're here on the Smart Week screen, and here you can essentially just choose how you want to lay out your week, whether that's more focused in the beginning of the week, maybe a little more balanced towards the middle, and perhaps more chill at the end. And you can save that, and that would be your preference. Here is the access screen. So this screen allows you to choose and give permissions for different accesses, such as screen time, health, notifications, etc. And once you give those accesses, the app will collect that data. Here is the setup screen for which there are already predefined quantities for each different type of productivity, but you can tweak these a little bit if you would like. So that is available to you. There is the dash, which sort of summarizes your 24 hours of activity. And here it only says 16 hours right now because you can notice the sleep is 0. So once the person has done their 8 hours sleep, that would be a full 24-hour cycle. And it breaks it up into the different levels of productivity there. And lastly, there is a timer. And this is just to collect information for work and physical activity. Um, because right now those would directly be implemented or fed into the app. And towards the future, we'd probably have some functionality to automatically collect that. So, for example, if you wanted to exercise and record that, you can just click start. You can see once you're done, you can click pause, and then that would be saved. And that is all there is to the app, Smart Day. Thank you very much.